First Corinthians 11:15, King James Version. But if a woman have long hair, it is a glory to her, for her hair is given her for a covering. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits, the wonderful benefits of MSM, which stands for methyl sulfonylmethane. Methyl sulfonylmethane. All right, so MSM is a sulfur-rich chemical compound with anti-inflammatory properties, and it can also be made chemically. So from time to time I'm going to be looking at my notes. It can also be made chemically, and it has wonderful benefits. I'm going to discuss 8 benefits of MSM today. All right, so 1, it can decrease joint pain, which can improve your quality of life. I know people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, as young as in their 20s, who are suffering from joint pain that can benefit from MSM. The second benefit here, it has anti-inflammatory effects, and supplements with MSM can reduce inflammation significantly. So if you're suffering from any form of inflammation, this is the supplement for you. It can speed recovery after exercise by reducing muscle damage stress. So if you are an athlete, if you are active in the gym and you want to be lean, or if you're lean, you want to stay lean, this is a good supplement to reduce stress on your muscles after you exercise. And the fourth benefit, it helps alleviate arthritis symptoms by reducing pain and stiffness. The fifth benefit may help relieve allergy symptoms by reducing inflammation. So if you suffer from allergies, it's going to help to relieve the symptoms because it has that anti-inflammatory properties. So that's perfect. And 6, can boost immunity and help you stay healthy. So from what I've seen, MSM is an overall wellness supplement, because here it is now, it's boosting your immunity and it's helping you to stay healthy overall. It's a general wellness supplement. I like that. Number 7, can improve skin health by strengthening keratin. I don't know if we all know this, but skin and hair are closely related, and your skin has keratin as well as your hair. So we're diving into the benefits of the hair growth portion of it, but we're not in there 100% yet. And then the 8th benefit of MSM, it may have cancer fighting properties. So that's another good reason to take the supplements. Sounds awesome, right? Yeah, I didn't know about all these benefits until I did my research and jotted down my notes. I was like, wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. So regarding the hair growth portion of it, it is the sulfur in the MSM, because it has the sulfur-rich compound. That is what's actually going to benefit your hair growth. So what it does is the sulfur, it forms bonds essential to strengthening the hair and influencing hair growth. So the sulfur is bonding to your hair, and it's strengthening the keratin in your hair. It's strengthening your hair follicles. It's strengthening, putting in any gaps that are missing in your hair shafts, because it's creating the bond onto your hair with the sulfur, and it's just strengthening your hair strand. And that's what helps to influence your hair growth, because your strands are stronger, and so whatever hair is going out of your scalp is also stronger. And so from the root to the tip, it's just healthier, and it's going to be fuller, and it's just going to be longer and stronger, and that's what we all want, and that's what MSM does. Awesome. It really does, because I've been taking MSM for like 3 years, and I've experienced tremendous hair growth. Importantly, we're going to talk about the daily dosage. So it's recommended that you do 500 milligrams to 3 grams daily, and that's from toxicity studies. It shows that it's a safe product to take, but the highest dosage ranges from 500 milligrams to 3 grams daily. So prior to including this compound in your daily routine or incorporating supplements into your diet, you want to discuss the risk and intake recommendation with your doctor. I'm sharing with you my personal experience. Talking about diet, MSM rich foods. Let's talk about some MSM rich foods. So yeah, we could take the supplement. For example, I started taking the MSM. This was the brand that I was taking since the past 3 years. Is it focusing? And that's the Jarrow. The Jarrow. I'm not quite sure if it's focusing here. That's the Jarrow. So in addition to taking the supplements, you can actually take food. So add these food to your diet to increase the benefit of the MSM. Coffee, beer. That's questionable. That's so questionable. Because beer, to me, it's poison. It's just, it has a lot of toxins in it. So I don't recommend beer, but tea. Then there's raw milk, there's tomatoes, there's alfalfa sprouts, there's leafy green vegetables, apples, raspberries, and whole grains are all food that you can add to your diet to increase the benefit of your MSM intake. So I want to get into some side effects of MSM. Some side effects of MSM may be mild and include headaches, which I did suffer from when I just started taking MSM. Nausea, abdominal discomfort, bloating, and diarrhea. So what happened was I was taking 4 scoops. It comes with where is it? It comes with a little spoon, measuring spoon, if I can get it out. If I could get it out. It's the same size as the other one I have, but okay, let me try and get this one out. All right, so it comes with this size spoon, and I was taking 4 scoops, and that was causing me to get headache, guys. So I had to reduce my dosage to 3 scoops per day, and that works perfectly for me. Yeah, actually, no, when I just started taking it, I was taking, I think, 3 scoops. And then I went up to 4 scoops and I was getting the headaches. And then I went back to 3 scoops. You can increase your dosage over time, but you don't want to go over the recommended dosage, because then you're thinking about now it becoming toxic for your body. So it's not recommended. So then let's talk about the different ways that you can take MSM. You can take MSM topically by adding it to a bottle with some water, like a spray bottle with some water and leave-in condition and oil of your choice, your favorite oil that you like to use. And you could spray it on your scalp and just massage it in. And that's how you could use it topically. I would say, like, I do 3 scoops orally. I'll do 3 scoops in the water bottle with my leave-in conditioner or hair conditioner and my favorite oil, and just spray it on my scalp. And you could take it orally by ingesting it, like we discussed earlier, which would be the recommended dosage. Very important is to add vitamin C to your MSM. So I use this brand of vitamin C, which is the 365. I got this at Whole Foods store, and I use 2 scoops. I use the same scoop from that, and I just take 2 scoops of this powder. It's powder, and I add it to like a drink or a juice. So I do Arizona, so I add my MSM to my Arizona, and I add my vitamin C to my Arizona, and I mix it in, and it tastes just fine, and I like it. And I tell you what, when I drink it, my MSM, it gives me this boost of energy, and it makes me feel emotionally good. So I know it's actually, my body likes it, and it's actually doing wonderful, great things for me based on my research that I'm discussing with you, the great benefits of the supplement. And it really does boost your emotion, and it really does make you feel healthier and feel alive. I don't know how to explain it to you, but drink it with the vitamin C. This activates the MSM. And you could take the MSM with collagen. So that's a good combination. So the MSM, the vitamin C, and collagen. So So I want to tell you about the different brands of MSM. So you have the Jaro, which I told you guys I started taking. Here you go, it's now focusing, which I told you guys I started taking like 3 years ago. The Jaro has a lot of additives slash fillers. So additives, fillers are the same thing. These are compounds or ingredients that companies add to the supplement so that it can go through the machines, it can pass through the machines without getting gummy and sticking to the machine. That's one reason why they add the fillers. Another reason is because it makes the product taste better, and it makes the product look better and more appealing to the consumer. However, the fillers or additives they have no nutritional benefits. So what happens is then now the MSM is no longer as potent as it should be or can be because of all the fillers that were added. So it's like you'd say watered down, it's not as potent. So I found this brand. This is Doctor's Best. Doctor's Best. There it is. It's focusing. This one looks more like crystal. The Jaro looks more like powder. This one has fillers. The one that looks more like crystal does not have any powders. This is the most potent MSM. There are other brands out there that also looks like crystal that are also potent. So this is more potent than this brand. And I'm going to show you guys the difference in the look of the product, so when you go out shopping, you know what to look for. But yeah, so key important. You must take your MSM with the vitamin C because it activates the MSM, and you also want to add collagen. So you don't have to add collagen to your drink with the MSM and the vitamin C. I don't think it's going to taste good. But if you do it in a smoothie, it will taste good. But if it's just like a regular juice, it's not going to taste good. So you could take your collagen separately. But if you do a smoothie, you can add your collagen to it. You could add the MSM and the vitamin C to it. What I do is I have this organic protein powder that I also use as a supplement, and it adds flavor to my smoothies, and that gives my smoothies some flavor. So I'm going to show you the supplement that I'm talking about, guys. I'm going to get it and I'll be right back. I'm back. So the protein, the organic protein that I take is this one. There it is. And it's a powder. So I add it to my smoothie. It makes it taste really, really good. It tastes really good. This is vanilla bean. I love vanilla. So it tastes like vanilla. It makes my smoothie taste like vanilla. So this is a 365 collagen that I take, which is the same brand as my vitamin C. Can you see it? Same brand as my vitamin C. 365. So I put the collagen, the protein, and my MSM and my vitamin C in my smoothie. And there are times when I don't do that. Like I said, there are times when I just put my MSM and my vitamin C in my juice or my drink, and then I'll put my collagen and my protein in my smoothie, which would be like my green, leafy greens and my fruits. And I just blend it up and I have an awesome smoothie. So that's how I do it, guys. Like I said, I've seen tremendous, massive hair growth, like serious hair growth, and I was like, wow. My nails are not long right now because I cut them off because I'm regrowing my nails fresh, but typically I do have long nails, and it's because of the supplements that I take. And MSM is one of the biggest contributor to my nail and hair growth. So I'd say, guys, try it. It's an awesome supplement. Comment below, let me know of your results. I can tell you that it really, really does work. It will increase your hair growth. Like I said, I do 0.5 inches, half an inch per month, and when I'm doing the MSM supplement, I get 1 inch plus per month. So that's a big difference. So 6 inches per year compared to possibly 12 inches or close to 12 inches per year. Okay. It's going to improve your skin health and your overall wellness. So try it. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the difference between the Jarrow and the MSM, the powder, how it looks. So one looks like, this is the Jarrow right here. That one is the Jarrow, that's the MSM. So this one looks more like a powdery form. That's that. And then the Doctor's Best, that's more like crystals. If you look at it, that's crystals. And then the Jarrow, that's powder. Yeah. So guys, that's how you know the difference between the ones that has the fillers and the one that's the crystal. So the one with the fillers, no good, no go. It's not potent. The one that looks like the crystal is the most potent one. Comment below, let me know like if your hair growth increased, your hair health increased, what you think of it after you try the product. Alright guys, I want to thank you for subscribing to my new subscribers. I see you and I appreciate you. Thank you for joining the fam, the squad. To our existing subscribers, thank you for your continued support. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button so that we can continue to bring you more videos like this. So like, subscribe, comment, and share. Until I see you in the next one.